But they're so cute. There's 6 babies and there's 1 mommy. And they're so cute. Aww. Do you see them?
Yeah.
Do you see them? Guys? You? They're so
Wow.
cute.
How many? Count the kitties.
There's 6 of them, but there's 1 mommy.
The mama? So how many in total? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And where's the mommy going? Oh yeah, it's just going right there. But they're just... But why are they not going away? Let us know. Because that's like their party. It's Wolfie's party. Wolfie's party. It's Wolfie's birthday.
Sing them a song.
Twinkle, twinkle, little kitties, how I wonder what you kitties have above the world so high.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Go to sleep, my kitties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. Meow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that one is sleeping over there. Look at that one. There we go. We'll sing that song. Look at that one is sleeping over there.
This
See?
one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
No,
Uh-oh.
no, that one.
I hear a noise. Okay. Let's say bye-bye, kitties.
Bye.
I love you.
Have a wonderful day. Bye.
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 Bye. Don't forget to...
Bye.
Okay.